Welcome back, learners. In this video we are going to learn about 4 centers of a triangle. Before that, you should know what is point of concurrency. It is the unique point where 3 or more lines intersect in a plane. Look here. In this A is point of concurrency, where L, M and N are concurrent lines. In triangle geometry, this concept defines 4 key centers. They are centroid, orthocenter, incenter and circumcenter. First, centroid. It is the point of concurrency of the 3 medians. Okay, what is median? It is a line drawn from any corner of a triangle to the middle of the opposite side. So if this is the center point of this side of the triangle, which divides it into half, then this line is called median line. Now if you draw all 3 medians in a triangle, these 3 medians intersect at a single point. This point is called the centroid of a triangle. Now look at this image. Here X, BY and CZ are 3 medians. G is the centroid, which is also known as center of mass or center of gravity. And it always lies inside the triangle. Centroid divides each median into 2 parts, with the longer part being twice the length of the shorter part. The ratio of the 2 parts is always 2:1 no matter what the triangle looks like. Second, orthocenter. It is the point of concurrency of the 3 altitudes, where altitudes is the line drawn from the vertex of a triangle and is perpendicular to the opposite side. Take one corner of the triangle, draw a line from that corner down to the opposite side so it forms a right angle. This line is also called height or altitude of the triangle for this base. Now do the same thing from the other 2 corners. The place where all the 3 altitudes cross each other is called the orthocenter of this triangle. In acute triangle, the orthocenter is located inside the triangle. In obtuse triangle, it is located outside the triangle. In right triangle, it is located on the vertex containing the right angle. Third, incenter. It is the point of concurrency of the 3 interior angle bisector. Which means if you draw a line from each corner that splits the angle into 2 equal parts. These are called angle bisectors. They all meet at one point. That point is called incenter. The incenter is the center of the special circle, which is called incircle. It fits perfectly inside the triangle and touches all the 3 sides. Fourth, circumcenter. It is the point of concurrency of the 3 perpendicular bisector of the sides. Take any triangle. Draw a line from the midpoint of this side of a triangle such that it is perpendicular to this side. So we can call this line as perpendicular bisector of this side of the triangle. Now do the same for other 2 sides of the triangle. All 3 perpendicular bisector meet at the same point, which we call as the circumcenter of this triangle. This circumcenter is the center of the circle that passes through all 3 corners of the triangle. This circle is called the circumcircle that perfectly wraps around the triangle, touching each vertex. The distance from the circumcenter to any vertex is the radius of the circumcircle, which we call as circumradius. In acute triangle, the circumcenter located inside. In right triangle, it is the midpoint of hypotenuse. Then in obtuse triangle, it is located outside. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.